Our 2-minute tour of the 25M is going to leave you asking, how can you fit all these amenities in a Class CRV under 26 feet? From our first look around, it's easy to see this Four Winds has everything. So let's start with the Dream Dinette, because you can never go wrong with the dinette. Right here, this looks like a great way to spend some time, and it also makes into a bed. So how about this kitchen? Can I get a wow? You can see from this overview that this galley is going to take care of you, even giving you a flip-up countertop to spice things up and a double-door gas absorption fridge to keep things cool. Top to bottom rundown. You have a large stainless steel sink with cover, making cleanup easy. There's a glass cover for the 3-burner gas cooktop, which has an oven for you bakers. This under-the-cabinet lighting looks great. It makes a great night light, and you're going to find gobs of storage below. So here's your sofa. And outside of mentioning it's comfortable, it's a great seating option, it's a sofa. You've seen these before. So let's take this sofa and put the M in 25M. How about this Murphy bed? It's quick to set up, and presto, instant bedroom with all the features. You have closets, even dresser tops large enough for tea in the morning. In the back of the coach, you have this nice bathroom setup. When you're traveling from new place to new place, this has everything you are going to need. All the way up front, we can't leave out the over-the-cab bunk. Sleep 2 up here. This has an impressive 800-pound capacity. And look what else is here, your TV when the weather keeps you in. Head out when it clears up. Pull up a chair under the power awning, maybe grab the local forecast on the optional TV out here. So you can get the 25M with V8 power from Ford or V8 power from Chevy. Both are easy to pilot from the well-equipped dash. With optional solar charging, a standard gas generator, even the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot, this Class CRV is ready to take you new places, so you can stay as long as you like. Need more Four Winds 25M? Then visit thormotorcoach.com.